Hey guys, we are in the back of the property here in Pasadena, and I just wanted to point out a few things. One of them is this beautiful harbor outdoor furniture, and we chose to use a water-based coating on here, water-based film forming, so we do multiple coats. We took the sling off, we sanded everything down and spray coated it with 3 layers of water-based coating, and we talked it over with the client, and we just wanted to make sure that they understand the pros and cons. We feel that there's mostly cons when it comes to water-based products. We almost never use them, but in this application we felt that it was okay since it's under a covered patio. If it was out fully exposed to the elements, it'd be a different story. It tends to blister and peel and turn white over time. They do have a few pieces out in direct sunlight, but they have protective covers, longevity of the protective coating, and we chose the water-based coating because they have small children and they spill, and there's grease and there's crayon and everything that comes along with young children, and they really wanted to protect against that. So we chose that, and we feel that it's a good product for this application. Again, we don't typically use it, but on this one, it looks beautiful. It came out really, really nice. Okay guys, so this furniture here is made by Restoration Hardware. It's absolutely beautiful and stunning. I love these double chase lounges. Again, we use the water-based coating. We typically don't use that, but for this application, it's great. And the customer is aware that they have to use the protective covers when they're not using the furniture. Otherwise, it will blister and peel, just as any multiple coat finish will, whether it's water-based or oil-based or clear coat or varnish or urethane, they all blister and peel. So they're gonna use the covers diligently. I think it came out beautiful, just natural honey blonde teak look. And I love those chairs behind me. They're absolutely stunning. I think they complement this modern home really well. And I think it came out really great. Got some cedar on the barbecue area. Some more outdoor teak furniture. That's Restoration Hardware. Beautiful, stunning, really nice stuff. Look at that cedar. It's just popping. Beautiful. Okay guys, so we're in the middle foyer of the house, and this particular area doesn't get as much sun as the other areas around the house. So what that means is there's maintenance less often. So this particular area is something that we're gonna have to monitor. These vertical surfaces get different amounts of UV. This particular area is covered by the overhang, some large trees that are strewn around the home, as well as shrubbery and things like that. So it gets varying amounts of sunlight, and it doesn't really get any rain. So that's gonna translate into a longer lasting coating, and it's gonna look good for a long time. I'd say maybe 2 to 3 years we can come back and do a maintenance on this, or whenever it's visually necessary, because at least right now in Southern California, we've got lots of weather. That's been the trend for the weather situation for the last year, and it looks like we're scheduled for more rain this coming year. So when that happens, things are gonna weather at a different rate, even if it is under a covered patio. So it's just something you have to monitor. We always tell our clients whenever it's visually necessary, that's when we should come out and do some maintenance. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to our Cedar siding and outdoor teak furniture restoration video of this beautiful home in Pasadena, California, right next to the Rose Bowl here in the Arroyo. Please take a look at our website. It's teakmaster.com. It's a beautiful website, chock full of wealth of information on subjects just like this. Tons of content, before and after photos, videos, testimonials, you name it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead and follow us, because we're coming out with more videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Tim Gilliam with Teak Master, signing out.